Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you different roles on a WordPress website that you need to know when you want to give a segmentation to your website. For example, you have a blog or website, then you need people to help you manage it because only you cannot do everything on your own. You need to hire more people who can make you manage your website, like approving the comments, editing the posts written by your writers, managing your customers' orders, etc. So all these things are a very hard work that a single man cannot involve. If you are a single man, you can do one thing. You cannot do two things. If you are multitasking yourself, it's not good. As a matter of fact, as a businessman or entrepreneur, what you should do is managing roles with other people. So share management roles with people that you know that are capable for them to handle the task which you want them to handle. It's one of the very best skills that you can use to do any marketing or any entrepreneurship. And with WordPress websites, I can know that we have been telling you that you can create websites with it. E-commerce websites, blog websites, any type of website you can create with WordPress. So in this video today, I'm going to go into my WordPress dashboard and show you different roles that you can give to users on the website. Users are people who use this website. So on websites, we have 9 different roles, and each of them are doing a lot of works on your website. Like administrator have full control over the WordPress website. Once you assign an admin role to the person, then that means the person is the admin of the website. He's the CEO, he's the manager. He can contribute anything, he can delete users, he can add users, etc. So you shouldn't give this role to anybody because they can manage all aspects of the site, including adding and deleting users. They can install and configure plugins and themes. They can make changes to the core settings in the website. So it is the highest level of access and should be assigned sparingly to trusted individuals. The person who you have trained very well or who you know that is very skilled managing website is the person who you should give administration role to. So as we are going to go to my website, I'm going to show you 9 roles. After administration, we have editor. Editor have the ability to create, edit, publish, and delete their content as well as content created by other users. They can also moderate comments and manage categories and tags. Editors are responsible for maintaining the quality and consistency of content on the website. Like in the normal organization where people are working, like in broadcasting station or radio station, they have their editor. So as website, you should have your own editor. As I'm going to go to my dashboard, let's go there. I'm going to show you how to add users. So you go to your dashboard like this, and on the left hand side of the screen, you click users, then you see different types of users I have here. So I'm going to click add new users, and the name of the users is very required. Their username and email address, these are very required. So they need to log in anytime you have given them role. So let us go to the role here. You send them notification automatically. So the notification will be sent to their email address with their first name and last name. If they have websites on other platforms, you can add their website here. So let's go and check out the roles here. You can see these are the roles I was talking about. Administrator, they have full control over the WordPress website. So you shouldn't give this role sparingly to trusted individuals. You should give it carefully because they can ruin your website, they can delete anything. They can add users, they can delete users, they can steal monies on your website. So you shouldn't give that role to anybody anyhow. So, and number 2 is editor. Editor is someone who have the ability to create, edit, and publish content as well as create, delete by himself. Editor can delete content, he can post content, he can comment, he can approve comments by himself or the one that were created by others. If other people created content on your website, editor can go there and delete. He can edit, he can update, he can draft it, etc. So this is the role. He can change anything, including content on the website. This is his own role. So author here is another role in WordPress that you can give to a person or individual who want to work with you on your website. This role, you let them create, edit, and publish their own post. What they can only do is create, edit, and publish their own post. They have more freedom compared to contributors, but still cannot access or modify other users' content or access backend setting. This author role, should be given to individuals who regularly write and publish their content. So if people want to come to your website and publish their guest posts, this is the role you should give them, author. If you give them this author, they'll go there and publish their own content. Then they can't edit or update other people's content. What they can do is only their own content. They can't go to the setting on your website. They can't update plugin. They can't update theme. They can't do anything. What they can only do is create, edit, and publish their own content. Rule number 4 is contributor. Contributors can write and edit their own posts, but they cannot publish them. What they can do is they'll write, they'll edit, they'll update, but they can't publish their own post. It is editor here that can come there and edit it and post it. So this rule should be given to the person who want to get guest post on a website, because they can submit their content for review by users with higher roles like editors or administrators. This role is suitable for guest bloggers or writers who contribute content to your website. So people are coming to me, I don't know if they are coming to you too. They will request me to give them chance to write articles on my blog and website. Normally what I give them is contributor link. I've given them contributor URL and login details. Then if they're satisfied, they'll go there and write their own content, they update it. Then anytime I want, I go there and publish it. This is the role you should give to them. Rule number 5 is called customer. Customer here. Rule number 5 is subscribers. This is subscriber. Subscribers have very limited permissions, so they can log in to the website or your blog. They can manage their own profiles, but they do not have access to any backend functionalities. They can't write posts, they can't edit posts, they can't approve comments. What they can do is change their own profiles, like their name, their username, their date of birth, their telephone, everything they can change about themselves. This rules is often used for individuals who want to receive updates or newsletter. You should give to the people who want to be sending newsletters or updates to them regularly. So rule number 6 is customer. Customer here are typically users who have created an account on your website. If your website is an e-commerce type 1, they'll create it so that they can view and manage their own orders and account details, but do not have access to the WordPress dashboard. They can't see your WordPress dashboard like we are seeing here. What they can see is their orders. They can see if their orders is on delivery, if their orders is under tracking, if their order has arrived, the delivery of their order, everything they see about their orders. So this is what we call them customer. These people, they can create accounts on your websites. They can update their profiles like username, email, address, so that you can know where to deliver your products to them. Shop manager, which is role number 7. Shop manager here is the type of websites which you create. You assign a role to the person who manages shopping on a website, people are there to place orders of a product or services. So you should have a manager who should manage all this shopping. This role is primarily used on WordPress websites that have WooCommerce. If your website is powered by WooCommerce plugin, or you are dealing with e-commerce website, then shop managers roles have the ability to manage products, orders, and other aspects of the online stores, but they don't have access to other administrative functions of the website. They can't update posts, they can't delete posts, they can't approve posts. What they can do is order. It is anytime that order comes, they can approve or delete. So this is the role you should take note about. Role number 8, which is SEO manager. Like the SEO manager here, the SEO manager, his role is not a default WordPress role. It may be added by a plugin or custom code. So this role sometimes does not normally come with WordPress. If you install used SEO or all-in-one SEO plugin on your website, then these two roles will be automatically created for you. So this SEO manager is for the person or individual who is good at SEO, who want to help you manage your SEO of your website. So their role is typically they will have permission to related management. So they typically this role would have permissions related to managing SEO, setting and content optimization. They can optimize your website design, website interface. All this is their role. This user may have access to SEO plugin and features to improve your website search engine visibility. They can go to your website and what they can access is the SEO plugin, like used SEO. If they go there, they can change your website description, website title, meta description, etc. So this is their own role. SEO editor is the last role we have on WordPress, which is role number 9. Their role, just like SEO manager, they are the SEO editor who is not a default WordPress role and is often introduced by SEO plugin or custom code. If you use used SEO, then this role will be added to your WordPress user role immediately. What that these people do is they edit your website page for search engine. They can edit the content for SEO purposes only. Let me go to show you an example of this SEO editor and SEO manager. So if the SEO editor comes to the website, what they can access is used SEO here. So when they click on it, they are going to the used SEO section on the website. What they can do is they can go here, they can go to the general, they'll see everything about the website, then they'll go to the settings. This is where they can set your website. Site connections, site basics, post, home page, categories and tag. Everything here they can change because this is their role. They can't go to the section to install plugin. They can't add user. They can't access the other setting. What they could do is using your SEO plugin. It can be used. It can be anything. So they can go to the integrations. They'll have access to this. What they'll do is go here, they can enable all these things. They can go to the tools here, they can update it because this is their role. File editor here, they can do everything. They can edit your file editor. This is the role of SEO editor. If they change something here, it will affect your website's ranking. So what this one means is WordPress admin it should be disallowed. We are not, our topic is not on this one, so let me not bother myself to go into this one a lot. What we should look for next is, let's go to the user. These are the users. So if you click this add new user here and you go to the subscriber, this is SEO editor, everything author. If you give author to the person, what you do is update articles on the website, but you can't get access to other people's content. I hope this video has helped you. So anytime you are going to give role to the person, you enter their username here. Let's say my username is Razi. Then email is required. Enter my email, enter my first name, last name, on my website. If that person gets website, you enter it. You shouldn't give password to that person. So you just say add new user, then the person will, you can add the password for the person and send password to him or her. You can also not do it and let WordPress send it to him or her automatically. So we are going to practice it now. Do I have any email on my website here? So let me go, and I don't think all this email cannot work. So follow the prompt. If you have any question to ask, please write them in the comment section. I will be glad to get in touch with you. I can create video for you on any question you have to ask via the comment section. My name is Abdazak from fastnowa.com. I'm very glad to see you watching this video till the end. So that means it's very helpful, very amazing. Please share it with your friends. Click the like button and comment please. Thank you for watching. Really appreciate you.